location should be fairly close. So we just got to the voco in Brisbane and we're going up to our room, which is on the 9th floor. Here's the elevator. Alright, we just checked into the voco in Brisbane. So there's a closet right here. I kind of miss doing these hotel rooms, but we haven't been to a hotel in a while. It's a flashlight, ironing board, safe, hangers. And this is Brian's favorite area, mugs and coffee and kettle. I don't know what that is up there, but we have a mini fridge with milk and a macaron. Oh wow, and a strawberry. And then right here is the bathroom. Oh, fancy, and hippities. Lotion, body wash. Hi, I look bad because I'm sweaty. Toilet, towels. And here's the rain shower with a bathtub. Sweet. Oh, and one of those mirrors, like a magnifying mirrors. Hi, Teddy. Hi.
Mama.
Yeah,
Mama.
I'm Mama. We have a bed here and another bed, and they brought you a crib, Teddy. And that's probably like an adjoining room. Here we have a desk and a TV and a luggage rack and our view. Look, we can see the Ferris wheel, and then because it's Christmas, they have it all lighted up red and green. That's cool. What you think of this place, Teddy Bear? Should we get you ready for bed?
Oh, you're coming back up.
Say bye. At the coffee area. Say hi. Car.
Yeah.
Oh, we found this little card here. That is super, super sweet of them. They even hand drew a Christmas tree. Guess what I found in the mini fridge? It's a nice plate of treats. There's a macaron, some blueberries, a brownie, and some strawberries. It's a nice heavy plate too. It's 3 in the morning and Teddy's right here. Can't really see him because we don't have the lights on. Should we go back to bed?
No.
No. Checked in at voco last night. They gave this chocolate, this box of chocolate to us for Christmas. Let's see what it is. Ah. Oh my, it looks super fancy. It might be for Brian. If we go get the breakfast and he decides not to go, then he can have this. Teddy and I are going to get breakfast. The restaurant place isn't even open yet, but we're gonna head over there because we are hungry. Time change problems. No, no. for Teddy. What'd you think? This is what I got to share with Teddy. Round 2. We still have a little bit there, but hey, we'll start on our second round. Teddy's eating a croissant. Hi. Is it yummy? What you think, buddy? Going to go swimming. Take Ted swimming at the hotel pool. Yeah. Yeah. Little cold?
It's chilly getting in. It's not too bad once you're in.
It's like 8 in the morning. You have something to say?
It's cold. It's not bad. It's cold. Oops, jump in. Jump in. Ooh, no. Oh,
Come in, buddy.
jump in, jump in. Oh, okay, sorry.
Much of a wind. It's pretty cold. It's almost time to check out what's this place again? Voco. And we are going to go onward. We're going to go to Malani.